An enhanced version of 8051, the 8052, also exists with its own family of variations and even include one member that can be programmed in BASIC. BASIC is a language. Block diagram of 8051 shows all the features unique to microcontrollers. It has internal ROM and RAM, input output ports with programmable pins, timers and counters, serial data communication. The figure also shows the usual CPU components, program counter, ALU, working registers, and clock circuits. The 8051 architecture consists of these specific features: 8-bit CPU with register A, the accumulator, and B register, 16-bit program counter PC and data pointer DPTR, 8-bit program status word PSW, 8-bit stack pointer SP, internal ROM and EEPROM, internal RAM of 128 bytes, 4 register banks, each containing each register's 16 bytes, which may be addressed at bit level, 80 bytes of general purpose data memory, 32 input output pins arranged at 8-bit port, which is P0 to P3, two 16-bit timer counters T0 T1, full duplex serial data receiver transmitter SBUF, control registers TCON, TMOD, SCON, PCON, IPIE, two external and three internal interrupt sources, oscillators and clock circuits.